Yeah, hi Surbhi. You have been calling me up and you had been wanting to meet me. And even in this lockdown, there must have been something really pressing for you to come and see me.
Yes.
I would like to tell you, Surbhi, that when you talk to me, whatever you say to me remains confidential. You can speak your heart and mind and be sure that it will not be revealed and you will stay, whatever you say, the anonymity is there.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for giving your time. Of course, I've been badgering you with the calls and everything, but I think I needed to see a professional help. Uh, there have been a lot of stress going on. There have been a lot of things that have been going on. I'm not able to sort things out by myself.
Mm-hmm.
So, like it has been happening from maybe some time now, maybe some months.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, I have tried certain things. I've tried, when people say when you're feeling depressed or maybe stressed, get up early, do some exercise, do some yoga, maybe have a better lifestyle. Of course, I've tried it all. It didn't seem to work.
Mm-hmm.
So that is why then it is always good to go for a help.
Right.
So,
So you said that you have been feeling stressed for many days, weeks, and months,
Months, yes.
and that you couldn't resolve it, in
Yes.
spite of the alternate actions that you started to take. You said go to meditation, going for walks, but nothing seemed to be helping you. So what is it? Would you like to share with me? What is it that has been stressing you to this extent that you had to come to me?
Yeah, like a lot of things have been, of course, were going on, but then then this pandemic came, then they were like, this lockdown happened, and suddenly, I lost my job to it, of course. Many people have, but then, you already know, like, I have a family to take care of. I have my parents who are old, of course, they cannot work, they cannot go out, so I have responsibilities, I have to take care of them. And suddenly losing a job, and they don't even know about it, that I've lost a job. Of course, I'm working towards finding something, but it just seems like I don't have any motivation to work now. It just feels so hopeless, and of course I'm feeling helpless right now. It's everything. Even I tried calling my friends and maybe talking to them, but it doesn't work. It doesn't seem to that it is. I'm getting any kind of positivity from anywhere.
Right.
Also.
So Subi, when you said that you feel at times that life is not worth living, so does it happen that you sometimes contemplate taking your own life?
I might have some thoughts of it. I have certain ideations, as of course there are a lot of things, like when you have something in like this in mind, you go you go online, you check certain things, what
Right.
could be done, what
Yeah.
could not be done.
Yeah.
So I might have those kind of thoughts, uh, but of course I don't want to do it,
Sure.
and I want someone to help me,
Sure.
and someone to just pull me up,
Out of
pull
it.
me up, and to have a better, maybe a better life. So
Right.
that is why I decided to come to you, maybe.
Yeah, so I can understand what you must be going through because it has been a very, very traumatic period for you,
Yeah.
losing a job, looking after your parents, and all the responsibility on your shoulders, and no one to turn to. I can understand that. But कभी ऐसा भी हुआ है ज़िंदगी में, पहले भी कभी ऐसा हुआ है, not to this extent, but कभी ऐसा हुआ है ज़िंदगी में when you have met challenges, and you have overcome them, So if you can give it a thought and see, which was the last time when there were challenges and you could overcome them, because you know that you have the strength and the ability, but at this point of time you're not able to exercise that strength and ability. तो कभी कैसा हुआ है कि कभी challenges आए हों and you could overcome them,
हाँ, हुआ है, ऑफ कोर्स होता है. चैलेंजेस तो पहले भी आए हैं, बहुत ज़्यादा भी आए हैं, बहुत ऐसा भी हुआ है कि ऑफ कोर्स कि ऐसा लगा कि थिंग्स आर एंडिंग, बट ऑफ कोर्स आई मैनेज्ड, आई टुक केयर ऑफ एवरीथिंग, and I was able to gather all my strength and work out of the things,
Right.
and have a better kind of a living for myself.
challenges आए हैं और you could overcome them, तो लगता है आपको सुरभि कि अभी भी जो challenges हैं, it's not the end of the world, you will be able to come out of it. And as I have wanted to tell you that we are there with you, I am there with you, 24/7. Anytime that you feel low, you can come to me, and we can do certain therapies, that I practice and teach you how to take care of yourself with those therapies, So that's one thing that we can do. And the second thing that you could do is to, again, if needed be, go to a psychiatrist and take some medication if it is needed, If the anxiety is so high that you're not able to deal with it. Sometimes it's good to go and see a doctor. He will put you on some pills which are very, very non-addictive, and you might sort of then start to calm down. And once you are calmer, and he will withdraw you out of it. But the fact still remains that I am there with you, and the therapies are going to work with you, which you will feel very good about. And like you said, you have the resilience, you have the strength, you have the ability to come out of it, as you have done in the past.
Yeah.
So we can discuss these options which are there with us, and you see which are the ones that you will be suitable for you.
Coming here and talking to you, it has helped me a lot. It has given me motivation. It has given me encouragement that I can do better of this.
Right.
I can be a better person.
Absolutely.
I have all those things within me. I believe so, and you have helped me, and thank you so much. And maybe we'll be meeting sometime soon.
Yes.